Joms TV Media on a beautiful Tuesday afternoon, and we're on our way to AGC Lifestyle to meet Mr. Johnsky Reyes of Clean Culture and Go Factory. And we're going to feature his beautiful build car. Very inspiring build, Honda Brio. I'm not sure lang kung anong year, kung anong gen, pero this is a very exciting episode. And I hope that you watch it till the end because it's marami tayong matututunan sa kanya, marami tayong malalaman sa kanya about clean culture, about Go Factory. He's a very inspiring man. I met him 5 years ago, and yun na, as soon as I started this channel, I told, sabi ko, I'm definitely going to feature him because he's such a very inspiring gentleman. Ayun. Alright, so please like and subscribe this channel so we could create more videos like this. And please also follow our Facebook page, Joms TV Media, so you will be notified for all the events, car meet, car show, and some of the featured car owners and of course mga events. Yun, maraming salamat sa inyo. Please continue to like and subscribe. Always support our channel. Maraming salamat. Shout out to all those sending their comments, and maraming salamat talaga sa inyo and for watching the videos. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you from us, Joms TV Media. God bless. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Oo, okay. Ito naman, i-check naman natin to. Papakilala naman sa atin ni Sir Johnsky itong kanyang Honda Brio. Yun. Sir Johns, maraming salamat again. Okay, tell us about this car.
Okay, so this is a 2016 Honda Brio. It's the base variant, like what I've mentioned earlier.
Okay.
Tapos, stock paint, mostly stock when it comes to engine performance. Pero I focused on suspension parts, tapos more or less lahat ng pwede muna na Jace Racing parts na available.
Yun muna. Okay.
Alright.
Yun, ilang years na sa ito?
So 2016, 8 years?
8 years? Wow! Guys, so tingnan nyo.
Ano, maganda 9 years?
Mukha bang 9 years yan? Tingnan nyo naman.
Tama, 9 years. 9 years is coming April.
So, urig paint pa lahat no?
Brake paint pa, tapos outside, noticeable lang lagi, at least front is chin, kasi
Okay.
dalawang chin lang technically lumabas for Honda Brio sa Gen 1 at least, isang modulo, tapos yan.
Ito?
Made in Thailand, I forgot the name, Weapon R something yata siya.
Okay.
Pero yan lang yung dalawang chin basically na meron. Napakahirap bumuo ng overall dress-up kit niya.
Talaga?
Kasi nagkaroon ng limited run yung modulo sa Gen 1.
Okay.
So, pag modulo, kompleto siya. Tapos sa grill, chin, skirt, door garnish.
So parang wraparound?
Wraparound. So, rear chin, yung garnish niya dito malaki. Tapos,
Okay. So hindi yun paggawa?
malaki siyang ganun.
Nakakita ko nun. Sabi ko
Tapos,
parang rocket ship.
Rear skirt, tapos meron siyang wing extender. Yan talaga yung modulo.
Okay.
Complete lang na ganun. Shout out, Alan De Leon. Rio Elite. Siya lang may kompletong ganun.
Okay.
Okay. Tapos nun,
Parang tingin ko parang Liberty Walk. Parang ganun, parang kung yun yung nakita ko
bihim, yung gilid sa isang member namin nagkabit.
Yun lang. Okay.
Pero napakabihira niya. Very limited rin yung modulo. So, sa akin is, when I got this, the concept was a daily driver. So,
Okay.
talaga siya nagsimula, like what I've mentioned. Pero, for now, at least, the final look from 2025, Mga nakakabit ngayon is sa likod, Jace Racing na exhaust.
Ito sir.
Yan. So,
Yes. Pipe. Dire-diretso.
walang saktong pipe for the Brio. So, dulo muna, nag-ano muna ako, nag-cutback muna.
Cutback, okay.
Pero I made sure na gagawin ko siyang bolt-on.
Okay.
So, using the engineering technique of deductive reasoning, kasya,
Kasade.
hindi. So,
Test
kinuha
fit,
ko yung,
hindi.
yung, I thought kasya yung pang GD.
Yeah.
Kinuha ko yung pinaka-flange niya.
Okay.
Only to realize hindi. So, nagputol ako.
Naputol.
Kinabit ko.
Ito yun yung sinasabi mo
Para maging
kanina.
bolt-on.
Alright.
Okay? Tapos, I got Cusco na C-pillar bar sa likod.
Ito yan, sir.
Yan.
Yan, nasa loob.
Okay? Tapos, sa likod, Jace Racing badge. And then,
Ito. Highlight ko lang, sir. Ito yung sinasabi mo, sir, di ba?
yes.
Yan. Oh, guys. Ito yun. Sir, ano nga ba to?
So, Road Attack family, kasama yan kung paano nabuo yung clean culture. So, halos magkasintanda yan.
Okay.
So, Road Attack family, kumbaga, yun yung umiikot-ikot sa Marilac before Marilac was famous for parang gawin yung kaibigang tunnel, whatnot.
Okay.
So, kaming namamasyal-masyal doon.
Yeah. Mga nagpipicture-picture on the side.
Picture lang on the side. Tama. So, suspension-wise, so sa likod hindi kita, pero merong Chuoy 19mm rear strut bar yan. Katago sa
Okay.
ilalim yun. Suspension-wise, likod is naka-exceed coilovers pa.
Ayun, kita oh. Okay.
Tapos yung harap, naka-BC coilovers na.
BC coil over na.
Funny story kung bakit siya magkaiba. So, nauna yung exceed,
Oo nga pala.
nauna yung extend coilovers rather than extend pala. This is a sister company of BC.
Okay.
Nagkaroon ng time na meron nag-offer ng BC na surplus condition.
Okay.
Sabi ko, okay, what the hell, kunin ko na rin.
Hmm.
So yung spare ko, coilover din. So yung coilover na sira, may spare ako
May-
coilover.
Oo
So
nga.
yung pinagawa ko kay FSUR, shoutout Amo, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Pinakabit ko kay iLube.
Okay.
Mga Carlos, kumaga magaling talaga siya mag-tune.
Yeah.
I think most of the guys from the South, kay iLube talaga nagpupunta.
Yes, so.
Okay? Pero along the way, of course, ito nahawakan din to ni JP Wheels.
Okay.
Yun yung mga shops na pinupuntahan lagi ng tao. And you become friends with them along the way.
Correct, yeah.
Kumbaga, ito doesn't frequent Autotech that much, pero yung Civic ko Autotech.
Okay.
Shaggy.
Okay.
At Toyota Specialist, pero
Honda,
Honda, ko pinapagawa. So, marami na rin siyang pinagdaanan, pero I think konti pa rin yun kasi magkapalit-palit ka ng mekaniko.
Oo, tama.
Okay? So, yun
Tama.
lang siya. Oo. So, outside yun lang. Napaka-simple lang niya. Usually, makikita to with either a set of yung Beckett's na favorite ko na
to.
white on white.
Yeah.
Either yan, yung T37 na bronze na kailan lang nakakabit. Sinalpa ko na rin dito yung Madi na 70s.
Oh, yeah.
Just for the heck of
Mm.
it. Kinabit ko lang siya.
Nakita ko na yata na nakakabit siya nun.
Racing Heart na CP035, medyo madalas to nung nagsisimula. Kaya lang, super rare na nun eh. So, iningatan ko na, tinago ko na talaga. Along the way, yun nga, nakakabit din ng Sparco NS3 dyan, Gram Light 57C. So, may pa rin. Again, may yung talaga.
Ano yan, sir? Meron ka bang certain time or date na kailangan magpalit ng rims? O depende sa mood?
Depende sa mood.
Yeah.
Kumbaga,
Parang artist.
yung iba sinasabi, parang pag car show, dapat pang car show rin. Actually, hindi naman.
Hindi
Dapat
naman.
naman yan. Kung malinis sa tingin mo, okay lang. Kung anong vibe. Pero ginagawa ko lagi, ito medyo 90s style.
Okay.
One thing na nagbabago yung tsura ng kotse is yung grill. So pag
Okay.
nakakabit yung white wheels, kinakabitan ko ng grill. Kapag nakakabit yung TEs, walang grill yan. So mas madilim siya tingnan.
Wait, sir. So, mesh lang yung nakakabit?
So, tatanggalin ko lang yung cover,
Ito?
mesh lang may iwan.
So cover lang to?
Oh, yun na yung pinaka-grill ng Honda ngayon.
Pero, this one is stock to.
Oh,
Tapos natatanggal.
the stock is all chrome. Tapos yung
Okay.
modulo kasi, may pinapa-body color mo. Kukunin mo yung modulo as dark gray,
Okay.
body color mo.
Okay.
Wala akong mahanap dati ng modulo, so minodulo na lang. So,
Okay.
wrap lang yan. Pero kasi, hindi naman ako mahilig sa grill din. Mas trip ko yung black lang siya eh.
Okay.
Kaya
Oh,
pag
yeah.
naka-white wheels, parang feeling ko mas bagay.
Mas bagay. Oo nga. Mas bagay. Oo nga naman. O parang black and white
Oo.
theme. Correct. Oh, wow. Properly built. Kaya nga clean build, so. Shoutout sa clean build. And of course, ayan. Ito yung group mo, sir.
Yes. So, Brio Elite, of
Okay.
course. Tapos, Clean Culture. So, like what I mentioned, 10 years yan. In a few more weeks, 11th year anniversary na.
Correct.
Yun naman celebrate natin.
Ano ba, sir? Invited by invitation ba yun o everybody's welcome?
We'll find out soon enough.
Ayan, abangan nyo yung mga mangyayari sa Facebook page
Yes. Facebook page.
of Clean Culture.
Green Culture, saka sa akin yan.
Okay. Alright. Ayan yung Facebook page ni Sir. And check out the description below. Alright. Sir, ang ganda ng loob. Hindi ko pa nakikita ang loob nito. Can we check the inside?
Okay.
Ayan. Ayan guys. Let's check it out. Alright.
Habit ko na to.
Okay.
Okay.
O, kita nyo ha. Saan mo nakakita? Dalawang
So, you might be wondering kung paano ko siya ginagawa.
Oo nga.
No?
Yeah.
So, again, pag meron kang gusto na brand,
Teka lang sir. Ang bango ng kotse.
thank you.
Ang bango.
Amoy coffee yan, care of Brio Elite.
Okay. Ito yan sir.
Yan, oo. Coffee scent yan kasi bili ko sa coffee.
Ang bango.
Di ba? So,
Saan nabibili yan sir?
for club members lang talaga siya.
Ay, sorry. Mag-brio muna kayo bago kayo maka-avail niyan. Alright. Yes sir.
So, yun. So, one of the things na mahirap baguhin sa Brio dati is yung manibela. Kasi when
Okay.
you ask kung meron bang boss kit or hub kit for the Brio, wala ang sagot. So, for just to.
Ayan. Kasha.
Just GK yan.
Okay.
Tapos, of course, I like energy even before energy rin gamit ko sa EK. So, para maging interchangeable siya, bumili pa ako sa energy. So, originally, meron pang isang manibela. Well, technically, dalawa na lang ngayon. Meron pang isa pang manibela dati. 3 manibela ko. Pinapag-sop-sop ko lang. So,
Ano yun sir? Depende rin sa mood.
spare for, so, pasmado kamay ko. Of course, ayoko madumihan to. With all the firma and whatnot. So, tanggal siya.
Okay. So this one, this is the Jace Race. Ay, tama ba? Ay,
Yeah.
oo.
Ito yung
Jace Racing.
Yan.
Okay.
So, Jace Racing, Racing Jace combination.
Solid
Kung mga
guys.
super details sa maliliit, bukod sa firma ni Hisaki. So, yan. Matched with the gold na hardware na rin.
Ayan sir.
Sabagay.
So it comes with, ito na yung complete set.
Bubuin mo siya piece by piece. So, start with the steering wheel, and then the hub. Of course, the hub. Tapos
Okay.
yung quick release.
Okay, yeah.
So, pili ka ng pili ng kulay.
Talaga?
Oo, nisisa ko siya. Tapos, mix and match. Mix and match yan.
Wala akong sabi.
So, yun. Madalas, kapag track day, mas gusto ko pa rin gamitin to.
Yan, kasi mas madali, maneuverability,
Really
mas madali.
small. Sabi nga nila, alangan yung size mo. Monte Carlos, 340, 325 lang.
Yeah, yun nga
Maliit
napansin
lang
ko.
talaga siya.
Okay.
Tapos, yun. So, kaya tinatanong nila paano ko na maintain na malinis. Well, bihira ako gamitin. That's why. So, meron akong pang-araw-araw ito. Hindi pang-araw-araw. So, same
Grabe.
siya. So,
So, araw-araw ni Sir Energy lang.
hindi ako mahilig sa alarm systems.
Okay.
So, I've always felt na the best way to do it is gulatin mo sila. Walang manibela yung kotse.
Oh, yun nga
Unless yung carnapper, oh man, may energy na ako. Perfect. Yun na yun. Yun yung, it's the universe telling him, it's really the car for
Oh, yeah.
you. So, yun yun. Kumbaga.
Okay.
So, lagi lang siyang walang manibela.
So,
Nung time na,
safety features na rin yan,
Oo.
sir.
pero actually, yung maging sa energy, may lock to eh. Kino-cover dito.
Talaga?
Tapos may susi siya.
Oo, yeah, tama. Yeah, yes.
Mas bihira ko lang siya gamitin nowadays. Iniiwan ko sa EK.
So, ang galing, no? Yung hub, sa bagay, universal naman yung hub, di ba? Tama ba?
Yung hub mismo, kailangan tama yung model.
Okay,
So
yeah.
this one, model siya pang gas.
Pang jazz, alright.
Oo. Tapos ang universal is yung quick release.
Quick release, yes. So,
Kasi iba nagtatanong ba't di ako nag-works bell. Bibilin ko lang yung works bell kung nakuha ko yung works bell Jace Racing Edition. Kasi meron nun eh. Wala pa ako mahanap.
Oh.
Saka na ako
saan
magpapalit.
magpapalit?
Saka
Okay.
ako mahipilitan magpalit. Pero for now, very happy naman sa performance sa pagpapalit-palit ko siya. Yun ang gusto ko gawin.
Grabe. Alam nyo, ilan na si Sir na interview natin. Legitimate na car guy because ang daming manibela. Ang daming rims, ang daming manibela. Shoutout sa mga na-feature natin na ganyan din. Na nakaka-inspire na it has purpose for that. Hindi lang siya aesthetics na,
Yeah.
sir. So, mood na rin, of course, for, nabanggit nga ni Sir, this is designed for racing.
Yeah.
Tapos ito naman for your daily driving.
Yes, for daily.
Di ba? Saan ka pa?
Aiming for probably Momo, pero parang trip ko mag-Momo tuner naman. Kasi
Okay.
dati ibang Momo gamit ko eh.
Alright.
So baka magpalit. Tapos din sabi ko kanina,
Yan. Ito
the
nga.
numbered 122
Oh, yan,
out
guys.
of 200 all over the world Tapos as far as I know, sold out na yung leather na model.
Talaga, sir?
Mhm.
Wow.
So, yan. Yun yung parang
Ayan,
pinaka naging collectible item sa kanya. So, inside, kumbaga nating wala masyadong different when it comes to sa likod. So, magsimula tayo sa harap, I guess.
Anong wala? Walang dumi.
Yun
Yun
nga.
ang walang dumi. Ang linis ng kotse ni sir.
Ano lang,
Sobrang...
future plan talaga, Celia. Yun lang,
Celia?
yun lang ang kulang.
This one, sir.
So,
Mag-upgrade ka ng racing seats.
So, pero inside, or what's inside, pinaka-highlight nito really, aside from the badge, is yung sign.
Oh,
So,
guys.
Sign siya ni Saki Murakami when he went here.
He's the CEO, di ba? President, founder-president. Tama ba?
Right now, president.
President.
Siya, ng Race Racing Japan.
Yan.
Tapos, very minimalist sila. Wala na ako masyadong pinagbabago. Honda Access pedals lang. Tapos, before the end of last year, nag-usap kami ni DLC Automotive.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Dan, shout out to you. So, kumbaga nag-usap kami about possibly having the Brio as a demo car.
Oh, okay.
Kasi Toyota yung main demo cars niya sa products niya. I like the products kasi lahat yung sinusubukan niya for racing.
Okay.
Sabi ko sa kanya, hey, you know what? Try natin sa Brio, yung short shifter.
Which is
So the DLC short shifter, kumbaga yan siya, bolt-on sa Brio.
Okay.
Kumbaga never pa ako binigyan ng problema mula nung kinabit. Tapos it serves its purpose. Talagang quick shifts, adjustability, lahat
Yung
pwede.
height, no?
Yeah. One thing na nagustuhan ko sa kanya, it kind of solved my problem. Kasi yung Brio before, when nag-drive ako, nandito yung shifter malayo. So naka-extend yung elbow. So, with the short shifter na adjustability, nailapit ko sa akin. So ganyan yan From here, napunta dito.
So medyo komportable. Mas komportable na.
Hindi ka masakit sa shoulder.
Okay.
Tapos, yung products niyang iba, na dinamoy niya, sabi niya, alam mo Tito Jones, hindi kompleto kung naka-shifter ka lang. Kabit na rin natin to.
Oh, yung carbon fiber na ano?
Carbon fiber plate and horn button. So, sinama niya yan. So, lahat yan, available na products niya sa DLC.
Oh, yun guys. Nandito yun nung during event ni Sir, nung Go Factory event na, sir.
Nandito siya. So, they will also have their event, yun nga, Feb 16.
Ay, yung Feb 16, yeah.
Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So, it's really for Vios and Yaris enthusiasts.
Okay.
The group Gen 2 will also be there.
Okay.
But basically, it's an event for Vios Online PH.
Okay.
Yun yung pinaka-event nila.
Ayun, check out the dates kung interesado kayo. Yun, Feb 16.
Feb 16.
Oh, yun. Lapit na. Parang next week na.
What else? What's inside? Mga burloloy or anik-anik na nakuha ko from Jace Racing. Pero one thing that I like to highlight is this one. So when I started the build, 2022, baga bumibili pa lang ako ng pyesa. Noong 2023, when Lady
Keychain, sir?
Real dropped by sa shop at inopen yung shop sa Jace Racing Japan,
Yeah.
ito exclusive doon.
Oh,
So
wow.
they gifted me with this one.
Oh, shoot.
So more than anything, ito yung acknowledgement na, hey,
Yeah.
they notice you now.
Yes,
na
yeah.
may nag-build ng brand sa Philippines.
Correct.
Tapos this one naman, I got it when he was here. Nung nagpunta na siya dito. 2024 na yan.
Guys, signed. Oh, di ba?
Marami
Jace
pang other items na sinay niya. Favorite ko is yung Tomica na Brio. Pinapirmahan ko yung bubong.
Talaga,
Ginamit kong profile pic yun for a while. Kasi lit eh. Talagang
Paano nakita ko nga yun?
Pirmado yun.
Oh, wow.
So, again, he's really a great guy. Also an enthusiast.
At saka is very humble eh.
Very humble.
Yeah.
Kumbaga gusto niya na that you talk about your car,
Yes.
that you appreciate yung mga meron siyang products. And you guys, we talked about products too.
Yeah.
Parang, hey, what's next? Parang ganon.
I saw him during Manila Auto Salon, Mias.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, nandun siya.
Oo.
Kaya lang di ako nakapag-picture pero yun na, nakita ko siya. He's very humble. Nakita ko he's laughing with other
Yes.
guys. Sobrang down to earth.
Yes.
And I never thought that he was the president pala. Oh, yun. Sobrang bait.
So, Saki.
Hello, Mr. Saki.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
And guys, so like yung page ni Sir, The Factory. Go Factory.
yeah, Go Factory.
Yeah.
So, what else? Inside, kumbaga naglagay ako maliit na monitor. That's it. OBD.
Ah, yan, sir.
Kasi by default, ang Brio, walang sensors for, or warning for overheat sa
Oh,
content.
yeah. Oo.
So, pabuting meron yan.
Kasi ano siya, yung ano lang, ano yun? Speedometer lang.
Speedometer lang eh. Tas gas, di ba?
Oo, yung basic
So,
ano lang.
Or let's see. Open it so you can see it.
Ayan, nakaset siya for...
Right now, RPM, tapos oil temp, tapos throttle opening. Yun lang muna.
Okay.
So, change mo siya to what you need. So, kunyari, gusto mo oil temp, water temp para mag-alarm, speedometer,
Isiset mo, sir?
RPM yan.
Alright.
It's small pero it's very useful.
Ang ganda, oh.
Mm. Yung mas magandang brand niyan, yung mas malalaki, nilalagay yan madalas dito. Pero since gusto ko minimalist lang, walang
Dito mo na nilagay.
Oo, nilagay, tinago ko lang.
Ano yun, sir? Plug and play din?
Plug and play.
Tapos, kinakalibrate na lang from time to time o hindi? Ano?
Ikaw na mismo,
Ikaw.
ikaw mag-customize. Kunyari, you want to set na gusto niyo mo mag-alarm yung speed at 100. Set mo sa 100.
Alright. Customizable pala. Yeah, that's a good thing. Right. So, mo nabili yan, sir?
Ito, from a friend din, pero meron yan sa Shopee lang yata to.
Oh, yan. Oh, guys.
Otool is one of the cheaper brands na good alternative.
Okay.
May maganda, may mga mamahalin talaga.
Okay.
Pero for me kasi, di ko siya balak talaga i-display.
Mhm.
So, panago lang
So,
siya.
talagang ano lang.
More, gusto ko lang makita lang.
Makita lang. Guided ka lang.
So, yun.
Galit, oh.
Bago mausok.
Ay, check out. Ayun yung bar na sinasabi ni
Yan,
Sir. Stop
the
bar.
CPLR bar.
Yan.
Kumbaga, I
So,
like...
pwede bang tignan?
Of course.
Okay, guys. May napansin kasi ako eh. Ito yun. Ito yung English, ano. So, ito yung mantra ba ng Jace
Race
Racing?
racing, yeah.
Feel, reveal, wasa, energy, satisfaction. So, nandito pala yung Japanese character niya. Ayan. Additional info. Grabe. Solid. Uy! Hi! Yan o, tontuwa ako dito sa corner natin nung lumabas to. Kasi puro salamin.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
So, karamihan dyan, nadi-DIY, di ba? Anything mechanical, pwede mo i-DIY.
Oo.
So, suspension, CPLR, adjustments, karamihan ng, again, mechanical functions, ako na nag-DIY, pati yung paglilinis.
Ikaw na lang lahat, sir.
Kumbaga sa actor, I do my own stunts.
Okay, yun nga. Tama,
Yeah,
tama.
So, yeah. Race racing na towel.
Ang cute niyan. Pwede ba sir bumili na hindi na, kahit hindi naka-Honda? Pwede naman. Pwede naman, no?
Pwede naman. As for me, I've always been a fan. Yun naman ang talagang totoo.
Oh, yeah.
Kumbaga, I've always been a car guy. So, kumbaga, nung dumating dito si Dino Del Carbonare, Speed Hunter days,
Yes.
mahilig ako sa print, so binabasa ko yung mga write-up articles nila. Nandito si Larry Chen.
Mm-hmm.
I was fortunate enough na nakita niya yung Brio.
Yep.
And he said, oh, what's this? It's pretty cool. So, sayang walang interview.
Yes,
I had
sayang.
more time, kumbaga, I think nagka-interview pa.
Correct.
But, yun, kumbaga.
Anong tawag mo doon sa album mo? Celebrity, ano? Picture with a celebrity moment mo. Parang gano'n.
Yeah. Kasi, you have to acknowledge din kasi, well, fan ka rin naman.
Oh, yeah,
dapat
true.
of somebody, di ba?
Yeah, correct.
Kumbaga, yun yung mga sinisilip mo along the way.
Yes.
Ako, I've always like print. So, Speed Hunters. Hindi Speed Hunters. Honda Tuning, Super Street. Yung mga magazine dati, namamali ka talaga ako.
Yeah.
So, even if you can't afford the parts or walang ganung parts dito.
Yun naman ang internet natin before eh.
Yun ang
Magazine.
internet eh. That's where you get the ideas. Parang, hey, this one looks, pwede to
Yeah.
Yun, the word pwede. Yun yung, doon magsisimula yung curiosity.
Yes,
mo eh. So yun, kumbaga, Fabrio, all-arounder siya. Never ako binigyan ng sakit ng ulo.
Tsaka it's a nice, compact, beautiful car, sir?
Yeah. Engine na tayo.
Ayun. So yung tint pala, sorry. Yung tint mo is blue?
Green.
Green pala, sorry.
Following the old idea na kapag Japanese or JDM build, green ang salamin.
Ganun ba? Guys, so tinanong ko na, tututunan ko na. Green ang salamin.
Usually green. Kasi yung sa VRS ng Honda Civic EK.
Okay.
So green glass yung front, privacy glass yung likod.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
talagang dark
Dark.
yung salamin niya.
Yeah.
Nakagano yung EK ko.
Okay.
Naka-privacy glass yon. Tapos, ito naman, since ayoko naman siya gawin na alangan yung color, ayoko ng blue eh. Usually pag blue, kinokorrelate na sa Eurobuild.
Okay, tama.
Which is bagay naman
talaga.
Bagay naman.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, I'll go green. So, naka-clear green tint siya. Tint in itself is parang Kyrina brand.
Kay Rina Brand.
Okay naman eh.
Yeah.
You know, kumbaga okay lang siya. If I want to do over, kumbaga magkapalit ako ng brand, probably yung time na iba privacy style ko din likod.
Ay, yung likod na. Alright.
Ulitin ko na lang siya in that sense.
O guys, pag ginanon na ni sir, pipicturean ko ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Oo nga, ang ganda.
So,
Alright, let's check out the engine. Ayan, ang engine. Oh my God, pwedeng kumain ng sushi sa makina. Grabe
engine
naman.
is a stock L13, same engine from the City and the Jazz.
Uh-huh.
So lamang ang Gen 1 sa Gen 2. Kasi
This is 1.3.
3.
Oh,
Kasi ang Gen 1, 1.3.
okay.
Ang Gen 2, 1.2.
Okay.
Yung Gen 2.5 yung bago.
Ano bang Gen 2, sir?
1.2. Gen 1.
Gen 1. Okay.
So yun yung parang pinakalamang niya. Engine-wise, matulin ka agad right off the box. Kaya lang, meron siyang limiter na 140.
Ay, talaga?
So kung gusto mo mawala yun, paparimak ka.
Okay.
Paparimak ka. Since I did mention na lahat na gawa niya, nagkaroon ng Dyno
Oh, yeah.
Dyno event si Dyno Pro
Si Dyno Pro, yeah.
couple of years back. Napadyno ko pa to.
Okay. Umabot pa?
Lahat sila nagtingin, ano? Pinapadyno yung Pero yeah, actually sabi nila maganda.
Ilan
ang
nag-read,
tapos
sir?
na nalabasan.
Ilan nag-read?
Ano?
Ilan naging reading niya?
Reading niya. It's at 89.85.
Which is from the stock is 70... Ay!
This is all stock eh.
all
Ang sinasabi lang nila sa akin is, ba't wala ka siya for stock?
For stock, yeah.
Kasi for a 1.3, pag kinumpara raw siya sa 1.3 ng mga Toyota, mas mababa raw talaga yung price.
Okay.
So, yun. Akin naman is, gusto ko lang naman malaman. Di ba? For now, ang upgrade, yun lang talaga. Jace Racing na mga abubots.
Oh, yeah. Which is yung... Ano ba to? Oil cap. Yeah.
Rad cap.
Rad cap. Ay, ito. Rad cap. Yeah.
Naka-drop in intake yan na kulay blue na Jace. Jace Racing na socks.
Socks. Okay.
Tapos,
Ito yun, yung slack bar.
yung Tsuyoy
Tsuyoy.
na na brand.
Yeah. Which is
Maganda
a
rin
Thai,
siya.
no, sir?
Thailand. Maganda rin.
Oh, guys, check it out kung gusto nyo magbihis ng ano. Etong makina ni sir, ako na mag-aate sa inyo. Hindi lang to nilinis for the shoot, ha. Ganito talaga magmakina. Etong grupo na to, specifically, si Sir Jonski. Ganyan lahat sila magmakina. I mean, from the outside, from the inside, from the interior, lahat.
Tapos,
Solid.
yeah. Jace Racing na badge.
Na badge,
Tapos, yung,
yan.
of course, the signed. Ulit na, signed
Saan, sir?
item ni Saki.
Ay, ito pala.
Ay.
Saan ako nakatingin? Ito. Ayan, oh. Grabe, pamahal na nito.
So, as it is, kumbaga, the Bria was designed para maging matipid. Matipid
Yep.
siya.
Compact car, no? Tsaka perfect siya for daily driven. Sa dali park, no, sir?
Yeah. Alam mo, in-obstacle course natin to.
Oo nga.
Tagal lang natin lahat yan.
Sir, ito, may ano ko ba dito? Itatrack mo ba to or any...
This year, kumbaga hindi lang ako
This year,
show this year. Siguro display, yes.
Yes, oh.
Track day, pag meron ulit,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Definitely gusto ko pa rin siya. In terms of engine, kumbaga, when the right time comes na lang. Pero initially nun, lahat ko parang, K-Series, ganyan. Parang isip ko, well, medyo modern to eh. Gusto ko
Old
siya
engine.
yung L15D.
Which is for...
The Civic
yeah.
RS na turbo.
The turbo, yeah.
Yun yung gusto ko gawin dito.
Dito yun na ilalagay mo.
Para maiba.
So, nga naman, why not?
May CVT paddle shift na siya. Sayang walang matic noon. Pero let's see, di pa naman gagawin ka agad.
Wala pa matic nun, sir? Yung
Lahat
RS?
yun CVT matic, walang manual.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Wala
Puro
siyang
automatic
manual.
nga pala. Yeah.
So yun sana yung future plan.
Yung FL5 ang manual lang. Yung which is the Type R na. Okay.
So yun. Ang Civic RS lang tayo. Pag
Yes.
natin kayanin yung pang FF5.
Hindi pa ngayon. Tinan nyo naman, linis, oh.
Tapos yun, sa labas, Jace Racing na wheel. Pero yun nga, unahin ko muna yung preno, tapos yung wheel.
Yun, abangan natin yung brakes na yan. At hindi pa ako nakakita ng brake kit ng Jace Racing. Sa internet lang, pero actual hindi pa. Hindi pa ako nakakita. Baka may pakita si Miss Lady sa event. O, yun. Alright. O yun, sir. Grabe, inabot na tayo ng alas 5. And sobra talaga ako nagpapasalamat sa iyo, Sir Jonski, for your time and for your sharing your inspiration and for your sharing your build na very inspiring. Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda talaga nito sa personal. You won't miss this because para sa akin, ito lang yung nakikita ko sa ngayon, ha. na Brio na malinis. Pero I don't know kung doon pa sa ibang Brio Elite.
Meron.
Baka for sure. And guys, we would like to invite you on Feb 16 doon sa Brio.
No, that's
That's
Bios Online
Bios.
PH.
Yun pala.
So, that's Ayala, Manila Bay Podium
Well,
Park.
ang dami kasing event eh.
Yeah.
Tapos yung Clean Culture to be announced.
Alright guys, Jumps TV Media with Clean Culture at meron silang very important announcement.
Guys, it's going to be our 11th year anniversary on March 23. Nasa Alabang Town Center kami.
Yun.
So guys, lahat ng Clean Culture fans, please drop by and enjoy the festivities with us. I'm with Lloyd, I'm with Cart. Again, please join us on the 23rd.
See you there.
Thank you. Thank you. Clean Culture with Jumps TV Media. Jumps TV Media with Clean Culture here at Fast Car Auto.
Clean Culture venue to be announced, pero it's going to be March 23. Honda Pro G-Son is March 8.
Yes.
And I'll take this opportunity na rin, of course, mag-thank you na ako sa wife ko. Of course, my other half. Ang biro nga nila, the other half of Half Dog.
Oh,
Okay.
yun. Oh guys, yun pala. Promote na rin natin, sir. Half Dog.
Half
Guys.
Dog. So, I didn't mention it earlier, pero yun nga, I founded Factory,
Yes.
pero we also own Half Dog.
Yun.
So, wala. We also have labels, yun
Yes.
naman yung sa clothing, or not clothing, but sa pagkatahi
Pagtatahi.
ng wife
Yeah.
ko. So, we just celebrated our 20th anniversary.
Congratulations.
Ano yung parang pinaka-vlog natin for
Yes.
that. And I guess for me, my wife, son, has always been supportive in all my endeavors. So, it's always rewarding to have the right partner.
Correct.
So,
True.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
And, this, nakalagay nga doon, 20 to forever.
Yeah, 20 to forever.
So, yun yun.
Mm.
Love you.
Alright.
That's it. Thank you.
Yun. Thank you very much, Sir Johnsky. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you. Please like and subscribe this channel so we could create and feature more people like Sir Johnsky. More inspiring people like Sir Johnsky. Thank you very much. Jumps TV Media here at AGC Lifestyle Park with Sir Johnsky of Clean Culture, Go Factory, Half Dog, and Brio Elite. Ayun, ang daming grupo. Sobrang saya. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless. Bye-bye.